We are presenting the design and fabrication of organic waste biogas power plant under the supervision of Dr. Syed Kashif Amdad and my group member Mr. Zagam Ilyas and Mr. Ali Raza Hamid. And I now call Mr. Zagam Ilyas to describe the effect and the introduction of biogas power plant.
I am here to introduce the abstract of our FYP. The name of our FYP is Design and Fabrication of Organic Waste Biogas Power Plant. As we know, industrialization and the budgetary changing in any country is energy. So biogas is main factor to overcome the shortage of electricity in urban and the rural areas. Basically, this is good for rural areas who have large capacity of manure, so they can utilize this process and generate for home users of cooking and electricity purposes. In this project we use 40 kg of manure each day. So we use input 40 kg of manure each day. We will choose manure of 4 animals, and for the next procedure I will call Ali Zain to explain the hardware of our.
I am defining the hardware components. That is the waste collector drum, and that is stirrer, that is the inlet pipe, or that is a drain out, that is a digester tank, that is a gas collector tank, and that is a weight over the gas collector tank. No, gas collecting in the tube, tire tube, and then filter out through the sungin, and that at least we use a generator of 3 kV. Now I am explaining the procedure of our project. Now, first of all, we take the waste material as a cow dung and collect in this drum with equal quantity of water. Then we shake it with the stirrer and put these material into the digester through the inlet pipe. Then the digester fill out, and after 40 days, gas will make in gas collecting tank, and then we move the gas into the gas storage tube, and then we filter out the gas through the sungin, and then we give the gas as a source to the generator, and that is 3 kV generator which produce electricity. And when the digester tank fill out, it is the outlet, and the waste material for the fertilization will out through that pipe.
Let me explain the advantages and disadvantages of project. The cheap manure advantages. Now I will explain the advantages: cheap manure, cheap energy, less soil erosion, conversion of woodland, and time saved collecting firewood. Explain the disadvantages of project: non-viable of cold regions and over hygienic. Now I will explain the application of project. This project is used for lighting, as we know that 60 to 100 watt of we can use in 5 to 6 hour electricity. And other applications, cooking, we can made meal for 5 to 6 person in 3 times. We will explain the fuel replacement around 0.5 liter of petrol, and now electricity generation we can make 1.25 watt.
Now I am explaining the fact of the biogas. Why we choose the biogas? We choose the biogas because it produces the green energy without polluting the environment. So we use biogas, and now I am explaining the design of. We choose the floating type drum of the biogas power plant. There are 2 types of biogas power plant. One is fixed dome and other is floating type drum. We choose floating type drum because in the floating type drum the pressure is directly proportional to the weight over the drum. So we use floating type drum because we need to maintain pressure for the generating electricity and in the cooking purposes. But in the fixed dome type design, the pressure decreases gradually by the use of gas. So the best method is floating type drum. So the pressure of the gas will maintain through the load over the gas drum. Now I am explaining the composition of biogas. The composition of biogas consists of the 60 to 70% of methane CH4 gas, 30 to 40% of CO2 carbon dioxide gas, and 1 to 2% of H2S gas. In our project, we control the pressure through the weight over the gas collecting drum, and we clean the biogas through the sungin We reduce the quantity of carbon dioxide and H2S by using this Sangin, which will filter out the gas, reduce the quality of carbon dioxide and H2S.